Okay, so we're going to simplify some complex fractions. So what you're going to do is you're going to find a common denominator both in the numerator and denominator. Once you simplify the numerator and denominator, you're then going to invert and multiply and then reduce. So my common denominator in my numerator is AB. My first fraction had an A, it did not have a B, so I have a 2B in the top. My second fraction had a B but not an A, so I get a 7A. And then this is all divided by B. So I have 2B plus 7A over AB divided by B. So I have 2B plus 7A over AB. And then I invert and multiply, so I get 1 over B. So I get 2B plus 7A over AB squared. Okay. This one, my common denominator on my numerator is AB. My first fraction did not have an A, so I get an A squared. My second one didn't have a B, so I get a B squared over A plus B over AB. So I get A squared minus B squared over AB times invert and multiply AB over A plus B. My AB's cancel out, which is super cool. I'm left with an A squared minus B squared in the top, A plus B in the bottom. My A squared minus B squared factors to an A plus B and an A minus B because it factors to a difference of squares. And then my A plus B's cancel out, so I'm left with an A minus B. So you guys have seen all of this before. Okay, that's why we're going a little fast. Okay, so then how many questions we got? Oh, almost done. All right, so we're going to look at a common denominator in the numerator. So I have a C plus 1, and I also have a C plus 2. So that's my common denominator for both. And then my first fraction needed a C plus 1. My second fraction needs a C plus 2. And then I'm left with a 2C plus 1 over C plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and I will simplify this. So 2C squared plus 2C minus, we're going to multiply this out. So I get a C squared plus 2C minus C minus 2, all divided by C plus 1, C plus 2, all divided by 2C plus 1 and a C plus 1. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to distribute my negative here. I'm also going to invert and multiply my denominator. So I have a 2C squared plus 2C minus C squared. Let's see, that's a plus C, so that's a minus C and a plus 2, all divided by C plus 1, C plus 2, multiplied by C plus 1 over 2C plus 1, because I'm going to invert and multiply my denominator. So my C plus 1s go away. What am I left with? Moving right into the question 6 spot. So I have a C squared, and then I have a C, and then I have a plus 2. And that is not going to factor. So then I have a C plus 2 in the denominator and a 2C plus 1 in the denominator. And that is it. Okay? All right, so hopefully that helps with your little review of complex fractions.